friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Sharkoon SKILLER SGS20 gaming chair. So friend, Sharkoon has expanded its range of gaming chairs with new entry-level model. The SKILLER SGS20 is available with either a fabric cover or synthetic leather cover and with 4 different color accents. So friend, this gaming chair offers a familiar ergonomic adjustment from Sharkoon such as tilt function, the adjustable backrest and armrest that can be adjusted in 3 ways, and friend in particular the extra wide seat base of 55 cm promise the high level of sitting comfort, and friend it is available as a standard version with a synthetic leather cover or a version with a fabric cover, and friend the synthetic leather version is designed to offer a classic look that fit in well anywhere and easy to clean, and friend the fabric version on the other hand it is a breathable fabric cover should provide an even more comfortable sitting experience, and when both types of chair have same design of streamlined color highlights which are available in either grey color, blue color, red color or orange color. And friend, these color accents are intended to stylishly complement in the prominent black of the chair. And friend, the SKILLER SGS20 with a synthetic leather cover and SKILLER SGS20 fabric with the cover are now available with either grey, blue, red or organic color or orange color highlights. Are manufacturer suggested price is 219 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.